I want to be straightforward and tell you that I think you should be a lot more supportive. If I get in, I'll be taking you to parties and you'll be meeting people you wouldn't normally get to meet.
You would do that for me.
You're my girlfriend.
Well, I'll be straightforward with you and let you know that I'm not anymore.
What do you mean?
I'm not your girlfriend anymore.
Is this a joke?
No, I'm sorry, it's not.
You're breaking up with me?
You want to introduce me to people that I normally wouldn't get to meet? What the fuck is that supposed to mean?
Take it easy.
What is it supposed to mean?
Erica, it was... The only reason we're able to sit here and drink is because you used to sleep with the door guy.
I'm gonna try really hard not to lose it right now. The door guy's name is Bobby. I didn't sleep with the door guy. The door guy is a friend of mine. He's a perfectly good class of people. What part of Long Island are you from? England?
I'm from Westchester.
Going back to my dorm.
Wait. So this is real?
Yes.
I apologize, okay?
I'm going back to my dorm. I have to study.
Erica,
Yeah,
I'm sorry. And I mean it.
I appreciate that, but
Come on.
I have to go study.
You don't have to study. Let's just talk.
I can't.
Why?
Because it's exhausting. Going out with you is like dating a Stairmaster.
All I meant is that you go to be you. And so you're not likely to... I wasn't making a comment about your parents. I was saying you go to be you.
I have to go study.
You don't have to study.
How do you know that I don't have to study?
Because you go to be you. Do you want to get some food?
I'm sorry that you're not sufficiently impressed with my education.
And I'm sorry, I don't own the rowboat.
I think we should just be friends.
I don't need friends.
I was being polite. I have no intention on ever being friends with you.
You're really leaving.
Listen, you're going to be rich and successful, but you're going to go through life thinking that girls don't like you because you're a tech geek. And I want you to know from the bottom of my heart that that won't be true. It'll be because you're an asshole. You're never getting into a finals club.